Hi, I'm Ann Lahan, Southeast Regional Sales Manager for Paragon Tank Truck Equipment. We're here today to talk about the HydraCHEM, which was designed over a decade ago. This is the HydraCHEM 180 with aux circuit. It can be easily installed within 4 hours. Paragon can also supply you with the PTO and the hydraulic pump and provide you the proper engine speed for operating it. This all-in-one chemical transfer system requires 25 inches of frame rail space. It is composed of 3 major products: a hydraulic cooler, Paragon's P40 compressor, and your pump options. Our pump options consist of a 3-inch roper with a triple lip seal and our L160 stainless steel low pump. The HydraCHEM also comes complete with cam locks. And when we're operating the HydraCHEM, everything is nice and neatly labeled. We have a speed directional control valve that the product pump can go forward and reverse. We have our compressor, which is off and on. Also, the HydraCHEM 180 can be operated simultaneously, the product pump and compressor, for products that can use either of those to help with the inlet suction conditions. This will give you a faster offload. Also, with the HydraCHEM for maintenance, it is easily accessible from the top where you can change your filter elements and your fill points for hydraulic and oil. Over here we have our auxiliary system. This allows you to have another 30 gallons per minute for operating a trailer system, whether you have a TLG pump for propane, food grade pumps, or even possibly a roper pump on a trailer.